Quiet, heavy breathing, almost whispering, then bursts of anger. I gave my heart once. Did you know that? Before the makeup, before the madness, there was someone I loved. She said I was different, said I was worth something, and for a while I believed her. But people lie. She left me when I had nothing, when the world chewed me up and spat me out. That was the day I learned the most important lesson. Love isn't real. No one saves you. You either rot in the dark, or you set the dark on fire. So I chose fire. And baby, look how bright it burns.